Oh, Africa, land of the sun. From Tanzania's shores to Kenya's run. The winds of hope are calling loud, but the storm clouds linger, heavy and proud. From Nigeria's plains to Rwanda's hills, the heart of Africa, it's time to heal. Burundi's cries and the war-torn cries, we need to unite, open our eyes. Africa, stand up, rise above. Together we'll conquer with peace and love. No more division, no more fight. Let's build a future, ignite the light. Africa, together we'll be strong. Our unity is where we belong. From Cairo streets to Cape Town shore, we've been divided, but we'll fight no more. The heart of the people beats as one. Africa's journey has just begun. Tanzania's beauty, Kenya's pride. We've got to find the strength inside. Rwanda's courage, Burundi's grace. Let's come together and embrace. Africa, stand up, rise above. Together we'll conquer with peace and love. No more division, no more fight. Let's build a future, ignite the light. Africa, together we'll be strong. Our unity is where we belong. Let the rivers flow with peace and no war. Let the mountains echo hope evermore. No borders, no walls, no hate, just trust. In Africa's heart, we rise from the dust. From Lagos to Nairobi, from Dar to Bujumbura, we're bound by the same dreams. No more trauma. Africa, stand up, rise above. Together we'll conquer with peace and love. No more division, no more fight. Let's build a future, ignite the light. Africa, together we'll be strong. Our unity is where we belong. Africa, oh Africa, the land of dreams. Let's build tomorrow, brighter than it seems. Together we rise, together we stand. Africa united, hand in hand.